What if the tools sitting in your garage right now could actually be paying you? Not someday, not maybe if I try, but in a real, structured, step-by-step way. A lot of people love woodworking. They build things on weekends, they fix furniture, they make gifts for family. But it never goes beyond that, because they assume turning it into income is complicated, expensive, or unrealistic. And that assumption stops them before they even start. Most people think you need a massive workshop, high-end equipment, years of professional experience, or some secret industry connection to make money with woodworking. That's simply not true. There are people right now building small, profitable woodworking businesses from home, using basic tools and simple setups, because they understand what actually sells and how to sell it. And that's exactly what WoodProfits is designed to teach. WoodProfits isn't just a collection of random woodworking plans. It's a structured blueprint for turning woodworking into income. It focuses on the business side just as much as the building side. Because here's the reality. Knowing how to build something is one thing. Knowing how to sell it consistently is something completely different. This system walks you through which types of projects have real demand, not just cool ideas, but proven products people already buy. That alone can save you months of wasted effort building things that never move. It also focuses heavily on keeping startup costs realistic. You don't need a giant commercial shop. You don't need thousands in new equipment. Many profitable projects can be done with tools most hobbyists already own. And one of the biggest mistakes beginners make: pricing and marketing. WoodProfits breaks down how to price your projects for profit instead of guessing. It shows you where to find customers, online, locally, and through different selling channels. It explains how to position your work so people actually see value in it. That's the difference between someone who builds for fun and someone who builds for income. Another major advantage is access to a massive library of woodworking plans. Instead of constantly wondering what to create next, you have structured, ready-to-go project ideas that are designed with profitability in mind. Now let's be clear about something important. This is not a push-a-button-and-get-rich situation. You still have to put in the work. You still have to build. You still have to take action. But there's a massive difference between guessing your way through something and following a proven roadmap. If you're the type of person who wants everything handed to you without effort, this probably isn't for you. But if you already enjoy woodworking, if you've ever thought about making extra income from your skills, if you'd like to turn a hobby into something more productive and financially rewarding, this makes a lot of sense. It's especially powerful for hobbyists who already have tools sitting unused, retirees who want meaningful work instead of just passing time, side hustlers looking to add another income stream, beginners who want structure instead of random YouTube tutorials, instead of wasting time building projects that don't sell, instead of underpricing your work and barely breaking even, instead of feeling stuck wondering how to find buyers. You follow a system. Some people use it to generate extra side income. Others grow it into something much bigger over time. The pace depends entirely on how committed you are. But the opportunity is real. Turning skill into income is one of the most empowering things you can do, especially when it's something you actually enjoy. If you want to see exactly what's inside WoodProfits, how it works, and whether it fits your goals, I've left the link in the description below. Take a few minutes. Go through the details. See what's included. And ask yourself one simple question. What if the hobby you already enjoy could become something more? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe to the channel.